So we have been speaking about the MQTT service quite a lot. We have done we've actually already done a webinar about it. So the purpose of the next couple of slides is really to take you through a very high level view of it. And then at the end, there's a lot of links to blogs, to the webinar, so that you can actually go and explore it for yourself in greater depth. So then, as you all know, we've been working on the new MQTT service for quite a while. We needed to replace our current MQTT endpoint, which, don't panic, it's still there. It's not going to go away for the foreseeable future. So all of your MQTT devices don't need to change anything at all. What you can do is you can work in a hybrid mode using both, or you can use just the new MQTT service, or stay with the one that you're using right now. But what we wanted to do was work on and improve the old MQTT service. So the new one is really focused for AIoT. So that's a quite dramatic asymmetric pattern where you've got millions of devices one side with just a few applications or microservices the other side. The key thing here was the data format. We listened to what our customers had to say. They really didn't like the fact that you have to change the data format to the Cumulocity data format at the device end or before you get to Cumulocity. So the new MQTT service has a completely agnostic data format. You can send whatever you like, and then you can do all of the data formatting actually on the platform itself. Complete device isolation so that your devices can't interfere with each other. So this is really, really key because it means that this is IoT ready straight out of the box, guys. You don't have to do any complicated RBAC. If one of your devices is compromised, and let's be honest, your device is the most it's the weakest link of the chain when it actually comes to security. But if one device is compromised, it can't pollute all of your other devices. And it's also key, this idea of actually being able just to stream data in any format onto the platform was key to a lot of our other strategic approaches, data preparation, which Tal will talk to after myself, as well as streaming lake ingestion, which is a watch this space capability. So that's coming along soon. So then we addressed the three big AIoT challenges: scale, security, and simplicity. We really focused on these three areas so that we could handle millions of devices efficiently without having to consume huge amounts of infrastructure. Security, I've already talked about. Simplicity, this is about being able to attach your devices, start streaming data as soon as possible with the minimum amount of configuration. I've already talked about the scale. This is achieved by the fact that we've actually got the MQTT broker in front of our messaging hub on Cumulocity. So this is all inside Cumulocity. You don't have to worry about it. We take care of it. The MQTT is a best in class. So you've got version 5 straight out of the box. And then all of the data flows onto the messaging hub where we can actually really start leveraging it for all of the exciting new capabilities that are coming along this year and into next. And so I'm going to wrap up. These are some useful links. Clearly you can't read them or click on them here, but you've got access to this deck. So do make use of those. And if anybody's got any questions, please do get in contact with me. That's jane.porter@cumulocity.com. And we'll be happy to set up a chat or answer via email.